In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to a vector. We're keeping this fast and simple by using online tools, so you don't need to install any software. This approach is perfect when you want sharp, scalable graphics for things like logos, icons, and simple illustrations. First, a quick bit of context. Raster images like PNGs and JPGs are made of pixels. When you enlarge them, they can look blurry. Vector graphics, on the other hand, are built from paths and shapes. That means you can scale them to any size and they'll stay crisp. The most common file format you'll download from these tools is SVG, which works great on the web and in most design apps. Open your web browser and head to a trusted vectorization site. Popular options include Vectorizer.ai, PNG to SVG by Adobe Express, and AutoTracer. They all follow the same basic flow. Upload your image, let the site convert it, then download the SVG result. If you're not sure which one to start with, pick any of them. You can always try another if you want a slightly different look. When choosing an image, keep it simple. High contrast artwork with clear edges gives the best results. Logos, flat icons, and uncomplicated illustrations usually convert beautifully. Photos or complex artwork with gradients and textures won't translate as cleanly, and you may see rough edges or too many small shapes in the output. On the site, look for an upload, choose file or drag and drop area, and select your PNG or JPG. Once the image is uploaded, most tools begin processing automatically and show you a live preview. Some will offer optional controls like the number of colors, smoothing, or detail level. If you're new to this, start with the defaults. If the preview looks too noisy, reduce the number of colors or increase smoothing. If it looks too simple, add a bit more detail. Take a moment to zoom into the preview and check edges, corners, and small text. You're looking for clean, well-defined shapes. If it doesn't look right, try a different tool or re-upload a cleaner source image with better contrast. When you're happy, click Download and choose SVG. Save the file to a clear location on your computer. You can now drop that SVG into your website, presentation, or design software. Because it's vector-based, it will scale without losing quality, keep file sizes efficient, and print sharply at any size. That's it. Upload, preview, and download. With these online tools, converting an image to a vector is quick, reliable, and ideal for logos, icons, and simple illustrations.